Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will unbox the car number 205 from the Fast and Furious Mix 3 Hot Wheels premium set, which is Lamborghini LM002, and this looks a very big casting, so let's just unbox it. So finally we have it out of the blister, and let me be honest, this looks very big for a Hot Wheels casting. It's like a block of black metal and it's very heavy. So starting off, we have full details. We have the Lamborghini badge on the hood. The rear details are there. The color is black and this looks like a proper mafia vehicle. And we have a rear wheel which is plastic. These guardrails are also plastic, and the truck bed is also plastic. So other than that, it's very good. So the wheels are Real Riders off-road beadlock wheels, and wow man, this looks absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. So very nice casting in this Fast and Furious Mix 3 set. What do you guys think about this particular casting? I'll link all the other castings from this set in this video, so be sure to check them out and subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos. Thank you.